Hello, we're at Matt's Garage's car meet. I've got the GoPro, I've got the camera, there's muscle cars, there's classic cars. I don't really have a plan for this video. I'm just gonna start shooting and we'll see what we can get, and I'm just gonna throw it all into this video and then post it, so hopefully it's decent. I'll put you in here. I need to go, so see you later.
Let's nail this royalty free motherfucker.
That was very short, I know, and it's because I didn't plug in my microphone to my GoPro. There was no audio, and I was like, I can either scrap the whole video or just throw it all into one with some music, show you the photos I got. It'd just be a little bit shorter, but I guess it doesn't. I feel like I've always got in my head that it needs to be 10 minutes long, so this is why I'm speaking now, just to try to extend the video a little bit. But if you enjoyed that, let me know. Maybe I'll do another one like that, because it was quite fun to do. But I feel like I at least owed you a little outro so you can actually hear me speak more than once. All the photos you saw in this video were all edited with my Lightroom presets, so if you want to check them out, they'll be in the first link in the description. Plus all my gear, if you like any of the lenses or my camera or the way anything looks, it's all in the description. Got 2 more car meet videos coming out this week, one on Wednesday and one on Friday. That's my schedule basically. It's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so if you want to check those videos out, subscribe and I'll post them on them days. But other than that, I'll see you in a bit.